Let's get your top story coming out of Maharashtra, and that big suspense that continues as far as the Chief Minister is concerned. Well, a big meeting that's taking place with Amit Shah, the Home Minister, here in the national capital, between Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis, as well as Ajit Pawar, meeting with Praful Patel as well. So that key decision that's going to be taken, do remember, it was Eknath Shinde who's gone on to say that it is a decision that will be taken by the Prime Minister. So is Eknath Shinde really making way for Devendra Fadnavis to take charge as the Chief Minister yet again in the state of Maharashtra? Well, the government formation is, these are hectic meetings that are taking place ahead of the government formation in Maharashtra, with top Mahayuti leaders meeting. The meetings have been taking place over a couple of days now, but the decision yet needs to be announced, and there seems to be some sort of obstacle, which Eknath Shinde says that he is not the obstacle. In fact, he will go ahead with whatever decision that the BJP takes. He, in fact, has gone on to say that he will comply with whatever decision, and that no one really is upset here. He's not a speed breaker, and this is what Eknath Shinde has to say in regard to that decision of the chief ministerialship in the state of Maharashtra. So this is what is taking place. There has been a 40-minute meeting, in fact, between BJP and the Maharashtra in charge, and that is a meeting with Amit Shah, a meeting that's taken place on Wednesday night in order to discuss the government formation. So it's just a matter of time now when that key decision will be announced, especially after that key meeting that's going to be taking place here in the national capital of Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis, who will be meeting Praful Patel and, of course, Home Minister Amit Shah. We have my colleague Aishwarya joining us. Aishwarya, take us through. We'll get Aishwarya back with us in just a bit. Let's just talk about these key meetings that are coming up. And from sources, what we're really hearing is that Eknath Shinde may get 3 key ministries. That is what might be being offered to him. Do remember, yesterday we heard that they're going to go with the formula of 1 chief minister and 2 deputy chief ministers. Earlier, what one had also heard in regard to Maharashtra politics is that Eknath Shinde might be offered the role of the deputy chief minister, or he might even get a union minister's berth, and that is what perhaps is being offered to him. Of course, Eknath Shinde supporters all supporting him, saying that it is under his leadership that the Mahayuti has come back into power and that he should really be made into the chief minister. We have my colleague Aishwarya with us. Aishwarya, take us through this very crucial meeting that's coming about, and perhaps right after that meeting that we can perhaps expect some sort of announcement.
Well, certainly hectic meetings were underway yesterday as well, and today we have been told that the Mahayuti leaders will be arriving in the national capital, and they will be meeting Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP President JP Nadda. They will be flying from Mumbai at around 4 p.m. At post 6 p.m. we have been told that this meeting will start in the national capital, and then the final phases will be decided as to who will lead the Maharashtra for next 5 years, who will be the face of the Chief Minister. The sources have revealed to us yesterday that it is, of course, Bharatiya Janata Party Chief Minister this time, and the format will be the same. That is 2 deputy Chief Ministers, 1 for the NCP Ajit Pawar faction and other for Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena faction. Yesterday, remember, it was that crucial meeting that lasted for almost 40 minutes in the Parliament complex with Vinod Tavade and Amit Shah as well. And the concerns were raised as well. Bharatiya Janata Party want to balance out each and every caste equation, every arithmetics that they can, so that everyone should feel happy. Of course, Eknath Shinde in that particular press conference, after speaking to Prime Minister and Home Minister Amit Shah, stated that whatever decision the Prime Minister will take, they will obey that, and there will be no problems, no hurdles from the side of Eknath Shinde faction of Shiv Sena. Whatever they decide will be the last and final decision, and that will be obeyed as well. So that makes clear that and removes all the hurdles for Bharatiya Janata Party to choose its own chief minister. Now, who will be the face, whether there would be any surprise, that will only be cleared after that all-important Mahayuti Alliance meeting today in the national capital at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence. where Amit Shah and JP Nadda will also be present. But now it all has come down to the government formation as well. How many berths who will get, and also whether Eknath Shinde from Eknath Shinde faction, some of the top leader will be involved in the cabinet after probably 5 or 6 months from now, and what would be the promises that will be done from the Bharatiya Janata Party side to Eknath Shinde as well. All eyes will be on that crucial meeting which will be happening post 6 p.m. today in the national capital. All the Mahayuti alliance leaders, including Ajit Pawar, Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis, will be flying to national capital today evening.
Right, so a very crucial meeting, Aishwarya, that's going to be coming up, and of course all eyes on that announcement and that meeting, perhaps something that we can expect post that meeting. We also have Radhika joining us. Radhika, the state's caretaker chief minister, we're talking about Eknath Shinde, who's spoken with the Prime Minister, and he's gone on to say that he fully supports the decision of the BJP in this regard and that he will not be an obstacle. So basically, there seems to be some sort of narrowing down as far as who really could be the chief minister, and now it does seem like Eknath Shinde is out of the race.
Yes, absolutely. And in a way, Eknath Shinde doesn't have a choice at this point, considering the numbers that BJP has. BJP has 132 winning seats, and along with that, we know for a fact that Ajit Pawar is supporting Devendra Fadnavis as chief minister. So they just need the support of Ajit Pawar's faction of MLAs to sort of form the government, which is why Eknath Shinde, in a way, is in the back foot. Therefore, he took that press conference saying that he will cooperate with the BJP. He will not be an obstacle in the government formation, and that he also thanked Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah for having been given the opportunity to serve people of Maharashtra, and that there are absolutely no disputes as far as Mahayuti is concerned, is something that he reiterated and re-emphasized yesterday at that particular press conference, in a way paving way for a BJP chief minister in the state of Maharashtra. He said he will support whatever the BJP High Command decides. But yes, is it going to be Devendra Fadnavis? That's the big question. But odds in favor of Devendra Fadnavis, considering his track record, his administrative skills, and the role he played as far as Mahayuti is concerned, and the fact that he drove BJP to this massive victory in the assembly elections. But yes, by way of sources, we are getting to know that the two deputy chief ministership model will continue, and BJP, of course, will get some of the plush portfolios, and Sena also will be bargaining hard for some important portfolio as well. Will Eknath Shinde accept a deputy chief ministership post? What will he be given in the end of this bargain? These are questions that need answer, but in most likelihood, the oath-taking ceremony will be conducted either on Sunday or Monday, is what we are hearing. But crucial meeting happening this evening where all the modalities will be discussed, and finally a name for chief minister will be announced.
Right, Radhika, we will keep coming back to you for more on that.